What does Elithair Transplant stand for?
Olá, sou Ricardo Quaresma, jogador profissional do Besiktas. Vim tratar do meu cabelo aqui no Elithair Transplant. Grande abraço a todos.
Elithair stands for unity, from the consultation to the treatment, to the aftercare. Trust is everything. Elithair is there for you, from the departure to the arrival. Questions and confusion you won't find with us. We bring colour back into your life. Elithair is more than just a clinic with patients. We are a family that supports you to achieve your hair goals. Ultra-modern clinic, warm and friendly translators. An international expert team. And one of the top doctors in the field of hair transplant, Dr Balwi. Elithair Transplant shows you all the possibilities. Hair transplant, hair pigmentation, PRP treatment.
Thank you, Dr Balwi.
Thank you, Dr Balwi.
Thank you, Dr Balwi. Thank you, Dr Balwi.
Thank you, Dr Balwi.
Thank you, Dr Balwi.
Thank you, Dr Balwi.
Thank you, Dr Balwi.
Thank you, Dr Balwi.
Thank you, Dr Balwi.
In Dr Balwi, we trust. And we believe in our mission.